it's just turned my life around for the better.
It's removed the most stressful aspects of the condition away from my life.
It's given me the quality of life that I wanted.
It's all about learning about diabetes tech, both inpatient, outpatient, and just really getting some hands-on experience around what diabetes tech means for people living with type 1 diabetes.
It changed my life completely, to be quite honest. I got the Omnipod first before I got the Dexcom. That all came a few years later. So being able to actually have a insulin regime that could match the various different patterns that my metabolism was needing was a game changer. And then to layer into that the fact that I could see what my blood sugars were actually doing overnight and use that information to make more adjustments to the background doses completely moved my diabetes to a whole nother level. And then also took the stress off me worrying about it so much.
I started with diabetes when I was 9 years old, and I was on pens. And then since then, as the pumps initially came out, I was on another pump before. I've tried a few different pumps now, and I'm on the Ipso now. And it's given me the quality of life that I wanted. I'm able to go to the gym. I live a busy work life. I'm able to socialize. And not, for me, I want my pump quite hidden. So I don't necessarily need to take it out. I can do things on my phone. So for me, it's just versatile and given me the freedom.
The main motivation for me going on to a pump was because I wanted to have children. And I was always told, being a type 1 diabetic, that having children was going to be a difficult one because I've had diabetes for over 37 years. I was very lucky to get referred to King's College Hospital, who, when I went and saw the consultant, put me straight onto it, said you need to be on pump therapy, got me onto it. I got my sugars and HbA1cs was 6.1. That's what I needed as a prerequisite to get pregnant. I can't thank King's enough for how they look after you, and the care that they give you is just absolutely brilliant. And I've got 2 little healthy boys now, which I never thought I'd have, and they've changed my life. Yeah.